Stop drowning your clients in spreadsheets. I'm going to show you how to prove your expertise and win their trust on a single sheet of paper. In real estate, we tend to make two huge mistakes when it comes to presenting data. The first is showing up with nothing but a smile and a handshake, relying purely on gut feeling. This leaves clients feeling uncertain. The second mistake is the complete opposite. We print out a 50-page data dump straight from the MLS, drop it on the client's table, and expect them to be impressed. In reality, we're just creating confusion. There is a better way. Today, you're going to learn how to build a simple one-page report that visually tells a story, builds instant trust, and positions you as the strategic guide your clients need. The goal is to transform that complexity into clarity. We'll use Canva. The key is to structure your report with three main sections using key metrics: absorption rate, days on market, and sale to list price ratio. Once it's built, the report does the talking for you. You're not just presenting numbers, you're telling a story. Let's jump into Canva and see how it's done. Click Create, select Print Products, select Flyer. Now go to Elements, scroll down to Charts, and I'm going to drag and drop the kinds of charts you want. Got a line chart. Now let's put in a bar chart. And there we go. And then one more. We're going to choose the multi-line chart. Multi-line might be good for showing days on market by different price points. Once you have the charts laid out, you can change the titles, and you can change the color. You can double click on a chart to enter different data for a different client. So here's your task for this week. It's a crucial step in building your toolkit. Open Canva. Don't get bogged down in finding the perfect data yet. I want you to simply design your branded one-page market analysis template. Add your logo, your professional colors, and create clean, clear placeholders for those three key metrics: absorption rate, days on market, and sale to list price ratio. This template is now a foundational asset in your business. It's an act of preparedness that gives you leverage. When you finish your template design, come back to this video and let me know in the comments below. Just write "template complete." It's a way to hold yourself accountable and share your commitment with the entire Fulcrum Agent community. Find your fulcrum point and you can move the world. Let's get to it.